In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams with Microsoft Loop. It's a full walkthrough from start to finish, designed to take you from getting started to sharing your content seamlessly between these powerful Microsoft tools. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Loop. If you're not sure where to find it, simply open your web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your workspace. Think of the workspace as your home base. It's where you organize your projects and keep track of all the content you're working on. Now that you're in your workspace, let's find the page you want to work within. Click on what's called the test page header. You'll see the header prominently displayed. This is essentially the label for the page, and clicking here will take you to the content associated with that label. Once you're on the test page, you might see an area titled Untitled. Don't worry if it doesn't have a name yet. You can easily change that by clicking on it and entering a new title that better describes what this page will contain. Next, you'll want to take advantage of the template gallery. This is a fantastic feature in Microsoft Loop that offers pre-designed templates to help you get started faster. Browse through the available options until you find a template that suits the needs of your project. When you found the perfect template, go ahead and click Use Template. You'll see that the system instantly creates a page based on the template you chose. This can save you time and help ensure you're using a layout that's both attractive and functional. You'll then notice a cubic icon. Clicking on this will reveal additional options and settings. It's like opening up the toolbox. Here you have quick access to all the features you might need. Now click on the page link. This feature allows you to generate a link to the page you've just created or edited, making it easy to share with others. Finally, you'll want to share your content with your team using Microsoft Teams. You'll see an option to share directly to Microsoft Teams, which makes the integration between Loop and Teams very convenient. With just a few clicks, your team can now review or collaborate on the content you've been working on. And there you have it. From setting up your workspace in Microsoft Loop to sharing your work through Microsoft Teams, this guide should help you collaborate more effectively with your colleagues. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope it helps make your workflow smoother.